Yo, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. And we are here for the Taurus energy. Let's get to it. 3 card draw ain't gonna hold y'all long. Yo, that's crazy work. But listen, right? Cards are out here. I did not bamboozle you. We are setting it off with the Strength card, as you can see. Bringing back a little black and white to the channel. Remember the black and white days? Followed by the 10 of Cups in reverse. Sometimes you gotta switch it up, you know what I'm saying? Get a little, little change around the place. Followed by the King of Wands. So we got the Strength card, 10 of Cups in reverse, and the King of Wands. Listen. So right now you're feeling like this is not the time for celebration, Taurus. And if you're asking the question, if you're correct for the way that you feel, I'm going to say yes. That's what the cards are displaying here. And it may not, well, it depends. I'll tell you like this. It depends if you feel that if it feels that you're doing the honorable thing by not feeling like you want to celebrate now, by not sharing everything that you have with your family and those who you deem as family and those who are your close ones, your loved ones right now. If you feel that that's the honorable thing to do, then yes, you are doing the correct thing. And not for nothing, when this period is over, probably has a lot to do with the transits at this time, then you will be seen as someone who motivates others. Now, will it be those same family members or people that are close to you? I feel like it is going to be those people. I feel like it is because they're going to see that you have standards. Because right now, what's happening right now is there's an energy hovering that says, okay, you need to choose between you and what makes you feel good, the expressions that you hold and have for yourself and with other people, or do you choose your family or whoever is within your home unit or whoever is in the expanding of what you got going on a foundational level that revolves around legacy, right? Some of y'all, I'm also seeing that, everyone that this reading is resonating with, point blank period, you actually need the strength and the courage to even do this. You know how some people, they feel so obligated to the people that are related to them, for example, that they will drop their own ball to go cater to the needs of everyone else. Or they will take everything that they have and cater to the needs of everyone else because that's what family does, right? Or family sticks together or whatever the case may be. And y'all may hear me with that type of tone in a lot of different readings, right? But I must stress this because real life is real life. You know, it's not all of the time where your family members, or should I say people who are related to you, are the people who benefit your life in general and in the long run and all of that, It's not a given is pretty much what I'm saying. And this is what you're tasked with right now. And it's not a question of will they endure or will they be able to withstand you choosing you over them. That's not even the question. It's really about you right now, the vision that you hold. Some of y'all actually are tasked with healing generational curses at this point in time. So this is how you'll know if this is you. If you're the one out of the family who, let's just keep it a bean, has a lot going for yourself, or should I say more going for yourself than the other relatives in your family, then yes, this is you. This is a challenge for you, but you are the one who is tasked with healing the generational curse because you're kind of like in the lead if we're talking about accolades, achievements, and things of that nature. Career, goals, wealth, who's making the most money, all of those things included, right? So you have to think about all of that when building this foundation. It's all wrapped up in there, And it's not that you don't have family on your heart. You do. I mean, shit, Mars is in Cancer right now, but that's also an indication of someone has to step up. Mars, has to step up and take that leadership role. Even if it means Mars falls in the family. Look, someone's got to be the emperor of the family. right? Someone's got to do it. Someone's got to be the breadwinner and says, all right, now I can help you, or at least put you in position, or whatever the case may be. And again, this does not have to relate to your direct relatives. This could just relate to people who are family by their actions, not just by blood. So, should and when you come out on the other side of this, is going to show that you have standards, and people are going to know that standard. Look, that person will do for others, but they will not do for others before they do for themselves. That's what I got for y'all.